Today I want to speak to you about Roslyn source code generators. The source code generators are simply put some DLLs that are generating code when .NET build is running. So what is the purpose? The purpose is to make some mundane tasks that you do not want to be performed automatically. Here it's an example from source code cookbook that says if I have a private bool prop and I put this auto notify, a generator could produce this kind of syntax: property change invoke. So if you use WPF or another framework that you need the property change, this could be automatically generated by just putting this kind of tag, auto notify. What I have used, for example, or I have used the auto control, the assembly info from the disassembly info. So for instance, I have here the version of my DLL that it's this version, and I want to use into the code. What I can do, I just include this assembly info, and I can write disassembly dot info dot version, and I press F12, and it says that this code is generated by a tool. You see here that was generated by disassembly info here, and it's putting to me this kind of file, and I can, this is just available at compile time, and then it's available for me at runtime or even at the design time when I write the code here. What it's another use? I have made a simple project that it's skinny controllers generator that generates action for a controller. Imagine that you have a class person with ID and name, and you have a person repository, and you have a get for all the person, a get with ID, and post and put and delete, and you want to roll this into some controller action. So I make a person controller, and you have this person repository. I didn't put here dependency injection, but you can do it. And now I can redirect to this DLL, and I just start to write code. Public person get return person repository dot get, and I put the attribute HTTP get, and in this manner, let's see the get what it return. Okay, enumerable of person get, and this way if I run the code, now I have the get in the Swagger. So I press get, and now I have this person, and I have the person here that are for the retrieved versus the get from the person repository. But then I want to route the get for ID, the post, the put, and everything else. What if these will be written directly by a source code generator? So what I have put here, it put auto action with template indicator rest, and fields name person repository to indicate for which field I should route the code. And now when it's compiling, build rebuild solution, it will generate for me for each method from person repository an action here. And now if I route the code, you will see that in the Swagger you have AP person, get, put, and delete that are practically the same things there that are into the person repository. So basically it copies me. I have all kind of templates. There are multiple templates, or 3 templates, sorry, here, that it's template indicator all fields post. with no arguments, it's get, else is post, and rest indicator. You can find those at here in the IOP of Roslyn, in the skinny controllers, into the generator, and you can modify those templates if you want, or make a PR and put yours. So what it's a Roslyn source code generator? It's something that runs at compile time, it generates code for you, and more than that, you can also generate code for your needs automatically if you just implement this kind of stuff, a generator and iSource generator. Thank you, see you next time.